Very good morning. So, yes, this is the lecture series for JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET. Okay, my name is Shravan. I will be teaching you physics. So, today we are going to start a new section over here, or you can say we are starting real physics. Okay, so this section is known as mechanics. This section is known as mechanics. Okay, so over here you will have these 8 chapters. First chapter is what? Kinematics. Okay? In kinematics, you will have 2 sections. Motion in 1D, where object will be moving in straight line. Correct? It can move, go in a straight line, it can come back in a straight line. Motion in a 1D. Motion in a 2D plane means what? When object is moving in a 2D plane. Correct? A special case is what? A projectile motion. You all know. Chris Gayle over here, a bowler, bowling, and when he hits the ball in IPL match, right? You can see a trajectory. That is nothing but projectile motion. Okay, so motion in a 2D plane. Similarly, all other chapters are there like NLM. It means what? Newton's law of motion. We all know the three very famous laws of motion given by whom? Newton, sir. Right? Okay. We have already studied this in grade 9. Friction. Next chapter is friction. Friction is your friend or enemy? Yes, he's your friend. Okay. Think about it, please do not hate him. Okay, he is your friend. Circular motion. Okay, when you go in fun park here and there, right? So whenever you have roller coaster ride, correct? Circular motion is the thing which creates something in your stomach. Okay, so yes, it's also your friend. Now after that, work power energy. So a smaller version of work power energy you have already studied in grade 9. Correct? Over here we will do the advanced version. Okay. Now after that, 6th is center of mass, where your mass can be located. If this is my body, where can I locate the mass? Right? So that is that chapter. Rotational dynamics, when things moves, when things rotate. Okay, like this thing is rotating, right? Okay, so it comes in a rotational motion. Your tire of a car, it's rotating. It comes in rotational motion. Ball. Every sport that you see, it generally, they have ball, okay, a spherical thing, so it rotates. Messi, he's the master of rotational dynamics. You can also say Ronaldo, correct? I only know 2 things, right? 2 players in football. Pardon me, okay? I'm not a great fan of football, but yes, I have decent knowledge in cricket, okay? So you can say the spinner of the era, who? Shane Warne, master of the spin, okay, master of rotational dynamics, okay. Now after that, SHM means what? Simple harmonic motion, right? Simple harmonic motion is what? SHM. So it means what? There was a song, मैं इधर चला मैं उधर चला जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चला, right? Like this, I'm moving here, I'm moving there, I'm moving here, I'm moving there. That is nothing but SHM. Okay. So today we are going to start a very fresh thing, that is mechanics. Okay. And in mechanics we are going to start very first chapter. Okay. That is motion in 1D. Okay. So take out your pen and copies. Okay. And we will start writing everything. Chalo. For your support, I will provide the notes in the link as well. Okay. So, but I would recommend कि yes, you have notes, but whenever we are solving all the questions, if you can know, you have to, okay, take out your rough notebook and pause the video and attempt the question. Okay, this is your job. Are you getting it, guys? Thank you so much. Now take it. So now kinematics. Chapter 1 is name is what? Kinematics. Its name is kinematics. Kinematics. Okay? So over here you have 2 chapters. Motion in 1D. Motion in 1D. And over here you will have motion in 2D. Okay? Motion in a 1D, motion in a 2D. 1D is what? Motion in a straight line. 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 ठीक है? Over here you have motion in a plane. You have motion in a plane. ठीक है? चल. So this is your first chapter. So firstly we will discuss what are its basics, okay, and then we will come on motion in 1D. So the first thing, we are building the foundation. If foundation is strong, okay, nothing can shake our house, okay, even an earthquake of magnitude 9.9, okay, or Richter scale cannot shake our foundation, okay. So we have to build our foundation and we have to think how can we approach the question, okay. We have to think more. चलो आ जाओ. So first thing, the three equations, okay, or you can say three fundamental equations. Three fundamental equations. I know about what equations you are thinking. Correct? Are you thinking about those three famous equations? Yes or no? But I'm so sorry, you are wrong. Okay? So the equations over here, which are the three fundamental equations, first is velocity, instantaneous velocity equals to differentiation of displacement with respect to time. Velocity equals to dx by dt. This is the first fundamental equation. Okay. Second is what? Acceleration equals to dv by dt. Okay. Acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Okay. And third one over here is acceleration. We can also write the second equation by doing some trick. We can write v dv by dx. Okay? चलता है. So these are the three equations which summarizes the entire kinematics. If you are able to understand these three equations, kinematics is done. Okay? It's nothing but a child play for you. Okay? चलो. So these are 100% real equations. Okay? They are 100% real equations, and these three equations summarizes the entire kinematics. Khatam. These three equations summarizes the entire kinematics. Okay? चलो. Done? चलो. Now, okay. So before this, we have already done with what? Integration, differentiation, vector, trigonometry. Are we getting it? Before this, we are done with entire basic mathematics, right? So I'm assuming when you are watching these videos, you have done those topics. Okay? Chalo. So question one over here. Question one over here. If you अच्छा थोड़ी चीजें लिख लेनी चाहिए क्या? The star points. You already know them, but for the sake of completeness, x is what? Displacement. X is what? Displacement. SI unit of displacement, अरे बोलिए meter. Correct? Okay. Second, v is what? Velocity. अरे v is what? Velocity. SI unit बताइए. Meter per second. Yes or no? Third one, your acceleration. Third one is your acceleration. What is the SI unit of acceleration? What is the SI unit of acceleration? Nowadays even the KG students know what is the SI unit of acceleration. If you are going to the KG section, even they can answer that yes, SI unit of this guy is nothing but meter per second square. Okay, chalo. So these are what the fundamental equations, and we all know this, correct? Chalo. So without wasting any further time, okay, let's come to the concept directly. Okay, if your displacement is given in this format, that is t square x equals to t square x equals to t square. Okay, so calculate first velocity at t equals to 4 seconds, and secondly acceleration at t equals to 10 seconds. Okay, so what will be the velocity and acceleration at 4 seconds and t equals to 10 seconds? Okay, pause the video, everyone, pause the video, do it. Done? Aaj. Pause the video. Okay, so now Mustafa, this is your job because you are sitting in the first bench. Okay, so Mustafa, please sit very near to the board over here, keyboard over here. Okay, and pause the video. Whenever I say pause the video, let all other guys, they can attempt the question, and after that, okay, you can again resume the video. Na? Okay, this is your job. Okay, thank you. Now, answer first. So, velocity, we all know, it is nothing but dx by dt, differentiation of what? Dx by dt. It is what? Differentiation of what? Displacement with respect to time. तो बताओ क्या आ जाएगा? अरे बताओ, differentiation of t square क्या होता है? 2t. Okay. Now, at which t? At what t you have to calculate velocity? You have to calculate velocity at t equals to 4 seconds. So put instead of t, put 4 seconds. Okay. So answer over here, it will be 8, correct? Now its unit will be meter per second. Are you getting it? Correct? Okay. So you should be crystal clear about how we are doing the differentiation. Differentiation of t square is what? 2t. Are we getting it? Correct? So 2 into 4, answer is 8. Very good. Very good. Okay? I'm assuming before watching all these videos, you find out about what displacement is pretty clear. Okay? Check. Now your acceleration is what? dv by dt. So don't you think first to do the differentiation of velocity, we should calculate velocity? Okay. So over here we already did it, right? So what is velocity? Velocity from here is nothing but 2t. Correct? Velocity from here we just calculated is nothing but 2t. Okay. So we have to do the differentiation of what? Velocity. So acceleration बोल, what is the differentiation of 2t? अरे सोच, what is the differentiation of 2t? Differentiation of 2t is nothing but 2. 2 क्या? Because differentiation of t is 1 only. Yes or no? Differentiation of t with respect to t only, it will be 1. So answer is just 2. 2 क्या? Meter per second, meter per second square, meter per second square. Are you getting it? ठीक है? चल. आया जनता? Okay. So now you will say, sir, but there is no time over here where we should put the t equals to 10 seconds. अरे भाई, this is the constant thing. At any point, at t equals to 0 second, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6, 7 second. Okay, acceleration is what? 2 meter per second square. Are we getting it? Pakka? Done? Correct? Make sure before watching all these videos, your concepts about differentiation and integrations are pretty clear. Okay? Because we are already done with basic mathematics. Done, Danta? Chal. Now, Coming to the second question. Okay, so okay, first thing is this, that when we write velocity as dx by dt, it's nothing but we can write velocity equals to rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Are you getting it? When we are writing velocity equals to dx by dt, it means rate of change of displacement with respect to time, and it also known as differentiation of x with respect to time. Are you getting it? Differentiation of x with respect to time. ठीक है? Similarly, when we write acceleration equals to dv by dt, it means what? Acceleration equals to rate of change of velocity, or a rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Yes or no? अरे बोलो yes or no? Okay. Acceleration is nothing but differentiation. अरे what? Differentiation of v with respect to time. Are we getting it, my brothers and sisters? Yes? Okay. चलो. कभी कभी आदती जिंदगी में यूं तो इतना लगता है, कभी कभी आदती उछल जाए और सपना लगता है, ऐसे में कोई कैसे आंसू पहन से रुके, और कैसे कोई सोच लगे. चलो. Okay. Question 2. Displacement is your. चलो. Now you have to calculate. चलो एक क्वेश्चन 2 के बाद फिर 3 में सीरीज करेंगे. t cube plus 4t square minus 5t plus 100. Okay. So displacement is given in this format. Calculate v at t equals to 1 second, okay, and acceleration at t equals to 0 second. Okay, check, do it. Calculate first velocity at t equals to 1 second, and secondly acceleration at t equals to 0 second. Pause the video, Mustafa. Pause the video and do it. Mustafa bhai, pause the video and do it. Mustafa, pause the video. Mustafa, pause the video. Mustafa, don't ask. दूसरे question, Mustafa. चलो, pause the video. Did you do that? Okay. Are you all getting the answers? Are you ready? Okay, my friend. So velocity equals to dx by dt over, my friends. Okay. So over here, if we are doing the differentiation, so t cube, this differentiation is 3t square, my friend. Over here, the differentiation will be 8t. Yes, and differentiation of negative 5t is just negative 5, differentiation of 100 is 0. Are we getting it? Yes. Are bolo. Differentiation of t cube, 3 will come over here, 3 minus 1, 2. Yes. Okay. Differentiation of 4t square, 2 will come over here. Yes or no? 2 will come over here, 4 into 2, 8. 2 minus 1, t. Are you getting it? Differentiation of t square क्या होता है? In general, it is 2t. Correct? 4 is over there, so you are multiplying 4 into 2. That's why 8. Are you getting it? Correct? Okay. Negative 5t. So differentiation of t is 1. So just negative 5. Differentiation of 100 is 0. Differentiation of 100 is 0. So are you getting it? Correct? So we have solved 100 of questions on this thing, है ना? चलो. So this is the application part. So over here, at what time we have to calculate the velocity? We have to calculate at t equals to 1. So when we are putting t equals 1 over here, है ना? Over here, instead of t we are putting 1. There is no t over here, so we cannot put it. ठीक है? तो देखिए क्या आ जाएगा? 3 into 1 square, 3 plus 8 minus 5. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 minus 5, only 6 meter for a second. 6 meter for second. Okay. Now, so acceleration. So for acceleration, we have to differentiate what velocity with respect to time, my dear friends. Are we getting it? Correct. So for that, firstly, we should have at least the expression for velocity. Yes. So it will be 3t square plus 8t minus 5. Are we getting it? Correct. So now we have to differentiate that. So if we are differentiating velocity with respect to time, my friend, it will become 60, this will become 8, and this is 0. Yes? Okay. So A equals to 60 plus 8. So instead of t, you have to put what? 0. My friend, don't be shy. Put 0. Don't be shy, my friend. Okay. So answer over here, 0 into 6, 0 plus 8. So answer over here is A equals to 8 meter per second square. This is the same if you are not writing the quantity in its SI unit. Correct? Good. Is it good? Good, very good. Oh. जीवन नगर में प्रेम नगर में आया नजर में फिर से कोई है तू पूछता है तू सोचता है डन ओके चल अब बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन करना पड़ता है बकवास नहीं करना क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ओके चलो नाउ पुटिंग दिस सेम क्वेश्चन इन अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट ओके चलो सो if x equals to 4t square, if x equals, very basic question, if x equals to 4t square, calculate time t when first velocity is 10 meter per second, and secondly when acceleration is 30 meter per second square. Okay, so we have to calculate time when velocity equals to 10 meter per second and acceleration equals to 30 meter per second square. My dear friends, do it. Mustafa, yes, you know it. Pause the video and do it. Just do it. Done? Did you pause the video? Did you all pause the video? Did you? So why don't you stop this to doing this? Very annoying it is. आओ मेरे भाई और बहन, आ जाओ, चलो। So first thing, over. Velocity, how can you calculate velocity? Differentiation of x with respect to t. Okay. So x over here 4t square. So you will do what? You will just differentiate it. Don't be shy. What is the differentiation of 4t square? Yes, Mustafa. Finally, you are correct. So velocity is at. Velocity is at. Okay. So now we have to calculate time where velocity is what? 10 meter per second. ठीक है? So instead of velocity क्या रखना चाहिए बताओ? Instead of velocity we should do what? We should put 10. Correct? 10 equals to, my dear friend, 10 equals to 8 into t. So time from here it is coming as 10 by 8 seconds, or you can write further. You can write t equals to nothing but 5 by 4 seconds. Okay? This is a sim if you are not writing the SI unit. SI unit just near to it. Okay. If you are not putting SI unit, then this is a sin, my dear friends. Okay. What is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but dv by dt, my friend. Yes? Okay. So firstly, we should know what velocity is. Are we able to calculate velocity, my dear friend? My dear friend, what is velocity? Velocity is 80. Velocity is अच्छी 80. Okay. Now, so differentiation of 80 bolo. 8. Correct. 8 meter per second square. So you will say, sir, acceleration is coming as constant over here. Acceleration is coming as constant over here, which is 8 meter per second square. So there cannot be any time when your acceleration is 30 meter per second square. Okay. So there is no time when acceleration equals to 30 meter per second square. Why? Because this guy over here, 8 meter per second square, is your constant. Okay, it's a constant. Okay, if something is constant, it cannot change with time. Okay, so there is no time when acceleration equals to 30 meter per second. Stupid question. So that's why this question is very stupid. Correct? So this is not possible, my friend. Correct? So this whole thing is not possible. Not possible. अरे कैसा? Not possible. Not possible. Very good. बोलिए भाई, शतक डाउट है? शतक गेटिंग बोल्ड एट गोल्डन डक. अच्छा, यू आर गेटिंग इट. वेरी गुड. चलो, डन जनता. ठीक है? So this is one of the variety where they can ask you at what time, correct? You will get all these things. है ना? Now instead of this time, let's think. Can we also play with quadratic equation? Obviously. अरे, instead of this thing, if I am giving you some complex thing, correct? Now we can also play with what? Quadratic equation. So instead of this प्यारा answer, the answer could be some complex answer in root. So should we taste that thing? है ना? हाँ, यही तो है, यही. I love this thing from you guys, right? You are always ready to taste some new cuisine. Very good. That's the spirit. Yes, good. Can we move to next question? Oh. Question number 4 है. Okay, this is your displacement. ठीक है? चलो. So now calculate time t when velocity over here is 20 में ज़्यादा हो जाएगा क्या? Let's calculate, settle down to 5 meter per second. Okay? So when velocity is 5 meter per second, and secondly your acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Okay? चलो, let's do it. You know Mustafa, pause the video, Mustafa, survive in the video. Because Mustafa, you used to annoy me in the class, that's why. Sir, how did I annoy you? Idiot, you are making this, that's why. Listen, now my job, take care of that. जल्दी को आज ठीक है चल तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर अरे बोलो वेलोसिटी विल बी व्हाट डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम जल्दी फटाफट करेंगे dx बाय अरे भाई किसी की भाई किसी का भाई किसी की जान फ्लॉप मूवी नाउ वेलोसिटी इक्वल्स टू dx बाय dt सो वेलोसिटी जस्ट डू द डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आ जाएगा 9t² minus 4t plus 1 okay equals to your velocity. Okay, now you have to calculate time when velocity is 5 meter per second. So instead of velocity what should we do? We should put 5 meter per second. Okay, you poor guy, 5 meter per second. Okay, चल अब देख कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन बन गया है ना, ये क्या बन गया कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन 9t² minus 4t. Okay, 5 will come over here, it will be -5 plus 1 -4 पक्का क्या? Okay, so बस अब बता इधर solution you cannot do it, right? From here you are I mean to say smart, you are smart, you cannot do it and you can do it. चल बकवास नहीं कर. So t over here it will be minus b plus minus under root a b² minus 4ac upon 2a. जल्दी फटाफट कर दे है ना. यहाँ पे बोल b क्या है? अरे बोल भाई what is b? b is -4, a is 9, c is -4. Okay, और c क्या है? -4. Okay, so c is -4. पुट कर वैल्यू फटाफट आंसर पा है ना. मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं की ना. 9t² हुए 4t. ओके प्लस 1 ना खलास. ओके, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ it was 0 है ना, तो खलास हो गया. 5 इधर आ गया 9t² minus 4t मतलब 5 -5 ओवर है, तो बिल्कुल सही है. तो इधर परफेक्टो. यस, सो टाइम ओवर हियर टाइम कहाँ से इट विल बी -4 है ना. तो -4 प्लस माइनस अंडर b². b means what? b is -4. Square of -4 will be -16. Yes? No. Square of -4 will be 16. अरे बोल square of -16. This is the very first question. That's why I am doing it like this. चल -4 square minus -4. Put each and every single sign. A is 9. C is what? -4. Okay, divided by do step by step. Don't worry, we have a lot of time, my friend. Okay, a over here is 9. ठीक है, चल फटाफट 4 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट क्या आ गया 16 माइनस ये क्या आ गया आपका 4 into 4 16 into 9 144 है ना. तो 16 minus 144 अपॉन 18. ठीक है, चल तो 16 सही कर रहा हूँ 16 into 9 144 है ना. तो इसमें ये क्या आ जाएगा बताओ 128 under root 128. So t equals to 4 plus minus अंडर रूट 128 बाय क्या आता है वो 18, ठीक है 18, ठीक है. Now think about it. Which time you should take? Time, it should be, you should take with negative sign or positive sign. You should take with positive sign because time can never be negative. Okay, under root 128, think about it. Under root 128 is much greater than 4. Are you soch? Under root 128. Are you getting it? 11 square is 121. So this value is around 11 point something, 11.1 or 11.2. Are you getting it? This value is around 11. So you cannot take negative thing, right? Sign over here, because if you are taking negative thing, time will be negative. Time negative is not allowed in physics. Okay? ठीक है? चल. You can never go into past. ठीक है? So time you will take as 4 plus under root 128 by 18, or you will take time equals to 4 minus under root 128 by 80. Which time will you take? My friend there, which time will you take? You will ignore this, you will accept this. Okay. Happy face. Hey. ठीक है? Why? Because time can never be negative. Okay, you can never go into past. ठीक है? चलो. So basically, see, in question number 3, everything was easy. Function was this. You did the differentiation. At what time you will get velocity equals 10 meter per second? You were saying orally, yes sir. The time is nothing but 5/4 seconds. Okay. Now, but when the question comes like this, funda is same. Now, this is your responsibility. Did you understand the quadratic equation, the mathematics really well? Okay. Fundays are same over here. Okay. Put the formula, get the answer. Correct? Sridharacharya formula. Correct? Okay. From here, now the funda again comes. When you are done with mathematics, then physics reappears. Right? Okay. So over here can we say which time you should take? Which time you should take? You should take the time which is positive. Negative time is not allowed. Are you getting it? Chal. Okay. So now our second part of this question was what? When the acceleration is 10 meter per second square. तो उसके लिए to calculate first acceleration we should have v. तो v आ गया क्या? 90 square minus 40 plus 1. ठीक. 90 square plus 40 1. So second part is acceleration equals to dv by dt. भाई velocity क्या थी? एक बार और देख लेते हैं क्या हो गया. 90 square minus 40 plus 1. 90 square minus 40 plus 1. 90 square minus 40 plus 1. ठीक. चल. So now what will be acceleration over here? अरे बोलो जनता, इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से लिख देंगे तो ग्रीन वाला दिखेगा. ग्रीन you feel like Hulk. Yes. चल. So differentiation of this guy orally, differentiation of velocity result time orally, this will be what? 18t minus 4. खत्म. Okay. At what time you have to calculate? Sorry. You have to calculate time when acceleration was what? 10 meter per second square. Okay. So do not worry. This is a linear equation. एक line में आंसर आ जाएगा. 10 over 8 equals to 18t minus 4. 18t minus 4. 4 will come over here. So 14 equals to 18t. T over here it is 14 by 80, or as the civilized people write it down. So it will be 7 by 9 second. 7 by 9 second. Fundays are pretty simple. Okay. Velocity is nothing but differentiation of displacement with respect to time. What is acceleration? Differentiation of velocity with respect to time. Okay. Now let's say if we have some different variety, think about it. See over here. Firstly, I just want that you should make a mistake. Okay. So I'm kind of humbly challenging you, okay, politely challenging you that this question most of you will do it wrong. Okay. So I'm just challenging you. चलो कैसे करेंगे आप? सो ये आगे 4 था, अब 5th. So x over here, instead of x, velocity is given as 5x square. Velocity is given as 5x square. Okay, so calculate acceleration. Okay, I'm not asking calculate acceleration at any position, I'm just asking calculate x. अच्छा ठीक, calculate a, calculate a at x equals to 1 meter. ठीक है, चल करिए. Mustafa, you know what you have to do. Mustafa, you know what you have to do. चलो दोन guys, are you done? Done done चलो किया, आ जाओ. अब पता है क्या, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक दिस कि देखो सर एक्सीलरेशन इज नथिंग बट dv by dt, करेक्ट? Okay, so acceleration over here it will be what? 10x, correct? Okay, so at x equals to 1, okay, answer of acceleration will be 10 meter per second square. This approach is wrong, my friend. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because velocity is given in x over here. It is given in terms of position. Are you getting it? ठीक है? The velocity is given in what? The velocity is given in what form of position? Are you getting it? Okay? So over here, you cannot do it like this. So you have to do like this. ठीक है? You will differentiate with time or you will differentiate with x. You will differentiate with x, but do you know the formula is not d by dt. We will use the third equation. कौन सी equation? Third equation. Acceleration equals to v dv by dx. बेटा, we will use this. Okay? Differentiation of v. Differentiation of v. So differentiation of v. Over here it will be 10. Sorry. Firstly, we will write v. Firstly, instead of v, we will write v, which is 5x square. Correct? And now differentiation of v with respect to x. तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 10x. सोच. Are you getting it? Look carefully. Whenever velocity is given in terms of position or in terms of displacement, you have to differentiate it with respect to displacement and multiply by velocity. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? ठीक है? So velocity over here is 5x square. So as it is, right? Into dv by dx. So dv by dx of this guy will be what? 10x. Correct? So answer will be, answer will be 10 into 5, 50x cube. 50x. So at x equals to 1, soch at x equals to 1, answer will be what? 50 meter per second square. 50 meter per second square. 50 meter per second square. Okay? So it's wrong and this is right. Okay? Now you might wonder, sir, from where this whole formula is coming? V dv by dx, है? तो आज इसको कर लेते हैं. We all know that acceleration is nothing but dv by dt. ठीक है? So what we are doing, d by dt, and over here we are multiplying with dx divided by dx. ठीक है, we are multiplying with dx divided by dx. So dx by dt, can you take dx by dt over here? Now can you all see dx by dt over here? This dx by dt will become v. ठीक है, so it will be, बोलो थोड़ा सा अच्छे से लिख देता हूँ. It will be dv by dt multiply and divide by dx by dx. है? So basically you are writing dv by dx, okay, and you are taking this dx over here, so dx upon dt. ठीक है, so this dx upon dt, it is becoming what? Velocity, because velocity is dx upon dt. Correct? Okay, so answer is coming yes. आगे आंसर v into dv by dx. ठीक है, चलो. So that was our third equation. That was our what? Third equation. Done जनता? चलो. So I am stopping this lecture over here. Okay. So every day, please revise all these lectures. है ना? Whenever all these lectures are going on, it's good that you have printed all of the notes that are given to you, that are being shared with you on WhatsApp group, and even uploaded on this link over here. But this is also important to solve the question whenever, okay, whenever I'm asking you to pause the video and solve the question. Okay, ठीक है, it's very important for thought process. ठीक है, चलिए. So whenever I'm saying pause the video, attend the question in your rough notebook, you can do it. Okay, चलिए. Thank you so much guys, have a nice day. Thank you.